Mastering social media ads, tips and tricks. Learn digital marketing with Digital Pawan. Welcome back. Today's topic is something that has revolutionized the world of marketing and advertising: social media ads. You might have heard about them, you might have seen them, but do you really know what they are and how they work? In this video, we are going to explore everything that you need to know about social media ads. Let's start with the basics. Social media ads are a form of digital advertising that uses social media platforms to promote products or services. The concept is simple. Businesses pay these platforms to show their ads to a specific target audience. But how does this work in practice? Well, each social media platform has its unique algorithm that determines which ads are being shown to users. This algorithm takes into account factors such as the user's demographics, interests, and behaviors. For example, if you are a business that sells fitness equipment, you might target your ads to people who have shown an interest in fitness. Now you might be wondering, why are social media ads so popular? The answer is simple. Everyone is on social media these days. It's estimated that the average person spends nearly 3 hours a day on social media. This means that businesses have unprecedented access to their target audience through social media platforms. Moreover, social media platforms allow businesses to create highly targeted and personalized ads that are more likely to convert. Let's take a look at some of the most popular social media platforms that offer advertising services. Facebook is the largest social media platform, with over 2.7 billion active monthly users. Facebook ads allow businesses to create highly targeted ads based on user behavior, demographics, interests, and more. You can choose from a range of ad formats such as image ads, video ads, carousel ads, and more. Instagram is a visual-based platform with over 1 billion active monthly users. Instagram ads allow businesses to create highly visual ads such as photo ads, video ads, carousel ads, and story ads. Instagram also allows businesses to target users based on their interests, behaviors, and demographics. Twitter is a platform that allows users to post short messages called tweets. With over 330 million active monthly users, Twitter ads allow businesses to target specific users based on their interests, location, and behavior. Twitter ads come in various formats such as promoted tweets, promoted trends, and promoted accounts. LinkedIn is a professional networking site with over 740 million active users. LinkedIn ads allow businesses to target users based on their job title, industry, location, and more. LinkedIn offers various types of ads such as sponsored content, sponsored messaging, and dynamic ads. TikTok is a social media platform that allows users to create short-form videos. With over 689 million active users, mostly teens and young adults, TikTok ads allows businesses to create and feed video ads, branded hashtag challenges, and sponsored lenses. Wow, that was a lot of information. We hope this video helped you understand the basics of social media ads and how they work. Be sure to experiment with different ad formats and platforms to see which works best for your business. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to my channel.